Hello students, today we will learn how to derive and use quadratic formula to solve a quadratic equation. So for that we will start from the standard form of quadratic equation, which is
ax square plus bx plus c equals to
0, right? We will apply the completing the square method in this quadratic equation as we have learned in the previous video. What we'll do, the first step is dividing the whole equation by a. X square plus b upon ax plus c upon a equals to 0. Second step, moving the constant term to right hand side.
X square plus b by ax equals to minus c by
a. Next step is forming here 2ab as mentioned in algebraic identity number 1 and 2, but here we have positive signs, so we will go for algebraic identity number 1, right? So we have to form here 2ab, so we have to multiply and divide this term by 2. So x square plus 2 into moving x forward, x into b upon a. Now to balance this 2, we will divide by 2 equals to minus c by a. Now we will add b upon 2a whole square both the sides. Both sides. So x square plus 2 into x into b upon 2a plus b upon 2a whole square equals to, there also, minus c upon a plus b upon 2a whole square, right? Now here we have our identity x plus b upon 2a whole square, there, minus c upon a plus b square upon 4a square. Alright, simplify RHS. X plus b upon 2a whole square equals to 4a square minus 4ac plus b square. Okay. Now simplify it a little bit further. X plus b upon 2a equals to under root, let me write b square forward, so b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. The denominator is a complete square, so x plus b upon 2a equals to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. 4a square is a complete square, that's why we have 2a here out of the square root. Let's transpose b upon 2a right hand side. So x equals to minus b upon 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? Or I can write it as x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That's our quadratic formula to get the roots of any quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Thank you. Now we will see how to use this quadratic formula to get the roots of any quadratic equation. To learn this quadratic formula, we will use the same equation as we have used in the previous video, so that we can verify the same roots in this video. So in the previous video we have taken the equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. Now what is our standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Alright, let's compare what are the values of a. A equals to 2,
b equals to minus 7 and c equals to 3. Now quadratic formula, x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? Substitute the values and find the roots. X equals to minus, what is the value of b? Minus 7 plus minus under root b square minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2. X equals to minus minus plus, it's 7 plus minus 49 minus 24 upon 4. So x equals to 7 plus minus 49 minus 24 is 25. X equals to 7 plus minus under root 25 upon 4. X equals to 7 plus minus 5 by 4. Now here we have two signs, positive and negative. First we will take positive, we will get our first root, then we will take negative sign, we can get our second root by that. So let's start. First of all, positive sign. So x equals to 7 plus 5 by 4 equals to 12 by 4 equals to 3. Now negative sign. X equals to 7 minus 5 by 4 equals to 2 by 4. It gives us 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and 3. We got our two roots of this quadratic equation. The same roots we got by completing the square method in previous video. So that's how we can use a quadratic formula to solve and find the roots of any quadratic equation. Thank you.